Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a Thai noodle salad. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. Thanks so much for joining. I appreciate you watching from whatever platform you're joining us on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Like I said, we're going to be making a Thai noodle salad. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. For our dressing, we're going to have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, the juice of 1 lime, and 2 teaspoons of chili crisp. And then for our salad portion of it, we have got 8 ounces of angel hair pasta, 8 ounces of coleslaw mix, half a red pepper small dice, half a red onion small dice, 1 bunch of fresh cilantro chopped up, and a half a cup of chopped green onions sliced fine. The recipe for this is down in the description box, the first pinned comment. Don't forget to check that out. Let's go ahead and start making this. Alright, we're going to make our dressing first. We're going to just start with our soy sauce and our chili garlic sauce, chili crisp, lime juice, that's rice vinegar, sorry. Now our lime juice, sesame oil, and then our peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. You want to make sure it's creamy. Put that right on in there, and then we're going to mix this up till it's nice and smooth, and that peanut butter is incorporated all throughout. Just like that. We're going to leave our little whisk in there too, because we're going to need to whip it up again. Alright, I'm going to glove up with the hand. I'm going to be stirring it up, so I want a glove on my hand. It's like a lot of equipment here with the camera equipment, and it's also sanitary. You don't want you putting your hands in. No matter how much I've washed them, there's still going to be a little bit of dirt on them. Add your noodles in here into a really big bowl. You want a big bowl because you don't want to try to smush it into a smaller bowl and then you got slopping all over the place with your ingredients. And your coleslaw mix right in there. You can go ahead and mix that up too, just to get a head start on everything. Now if you want to cut your if you want to cut your noodles, kind of chop them up so it's easier to eat, you can surely do that. We got our red peppers, our red onions, our green onion. I'm going to use half the green onions, so I'm going to use them to top off when we're done. And then our cilantro right on in there. We're going to mix this all up first before we add the dressing. See how you get everything all over the place? So I'll clean that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that off. Like I said, we have our whisk in here because we're going to stir it up again real good and just pour it right on in. We're going to use a pair of tongs to stir this sauce all throughout the dressing and mix it up really well with everything. And we're going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for a little while because I want the acidity of the dressing to kind of break down the cabbage. That already looks and smells fantastic. So, all right, I'm going to put the Tupperware lid on this and chill it for a little while. When we come back, it'll be plated up. We're going to take some pictures, throw in some music, let you enjoy that, and then we're going to try it out. Just give it a taste, so don't go anywhere. Taste. Got a nice spoonful of it from that picture. It's a little bit too big there though. You can see right there with that shot. That shot right there. Oh, this is outstanding. Outstanding. Those flavors in there. The umami, the heat. onions, crunch, textures. It's nice and chilled too, so that adds a little bit to it. Another one right there. It's really, really good. Soy sauce, chili. Like I said, you got textures in there, flavor, a little bit of heat coming through now. Not overwhelming heat though. But yeah, this is really good. Really, really good. I'm gonna finish this off. Everybody have a good day. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Remember, the recipe is in the description box below. You don't want to miss this. This is outstanding. Take care.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul.